Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and adjust media and the call volume. So we do that in the settings. We open up the settings app. Now we scroll down until we see Sound and Haptics. And here we have the volume section. So we have to click show more. And now we see the media, which is music, videos, and games, and calls. So we want to make sure that they're both right here so that they are maxed out. And after maxing them out, we want to make sure that do not disturb right here is disabled, because we all know that do not disturb basically mute our entire notifications, and of course it mutes our calls, notifications, and etc. But sometimes it can just lower the media volume, so we want to turn this off and see if that works better. If not, you can turn this back on if you're a heavy user of do not disturb. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the speaker grills, and if you're using USB-C headphones, make sure to clean the charging port. So here we have the speaker grills. Now here we have another one at the bottom, and of course the charging port right in the middle at the bottom. And that's what you guys can easily do. So now we are done with it. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and restart the phone to refresh the system. So let's press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, press on restart, and tap again to restart it. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done completely. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is simply update your software to fix any volume issues. So we're gonna scroll down until we see the system and updates. Here we want to go to software update, and we want to make sure that if we see new version available, we click on software version, we click on install, and it is basically installing the latest version on our device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.